March so far Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also how you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to your search bar and search for Ali and John YTT. And this is our Instagram channel. And from here you will get that add yours sticker. So now you just have to go to one highlight called March add yours, which is here. Click on that and now tap until you find your desired sticker. So there we have it. Now click on the add yours button. And then you'll have to go to your gallery, which is in the left bottom corner right here, and search for one photo from March. I will go with this one. And now you just have to share this photo with your friends by clicking on this button right here from the left bottom corner, which is called your story. Click on that. And that's it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.